besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra. If you're a returning subscriber, a regular regular, I welcome you back. Welcome to yet another weekly vlog. As you guys can see that I'm in the bathroom, I'm about to do my skincare routine. I've already taken a bath, by the way, so I'm shooting for the Himalaya campaign. Okay, remember on my last vlog I showed you guys this, so yeah, I'm shooting for this and I am quite nervous. I did tell you guys that I'm nervous. I am so nervous because I'm a gentle magic girly, so now I have to use the Himalaya products. Oh my god. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so if it's your first time here, let me just show you what they got. So this is what they gave me. Okay, and it's so cute, I'm gonna lie to you. And then they gave me a day cream. See, yeah, clear complexion day cream. And then they gave me 2 face washes. So yeah guys, sorry, the lighting is not working on my favor, but you see. So it's clear complexion brightening face wash, and then same thing. So they gave me 2 of these. Okay, the other one is small, the other one is big. Then they gave me this clear complexion brightening daily scrub. So basically I'm gonna be using all these. I am so excited. So yeah, let's do the skincare routine. Oh my god, I am so nervous. It's so insane. Oh guys, okay, review with the Himalaya skincare. Okay, I like how it smells. It smells really good, no lies, it smells really good. Nah, but the cream, it makes your face to be dry vibes. Like, I don't know, maybe I have to wait for it to set. But because I'm shooting for a campaign, I decided to go in with my Bramley on top just a little bit so that I can appear on the video looking glowy and whatsoever, because what else can I do? You know what I'm saying? So that's exactly what I'm doing, because I don't want to appear on screen looking all crusty. Okay, also it's for brightening up your skin. So if you are looking to brighten up your skin, then yeah, I think you should buy it. But let's just run away it, because I'm gonna give it to my mom. So I just want to see how it's gonna be on her skin. Maybe it will work. If it works perfectly fine for her, then I will definitely, you know, tell you guys to go buy it at least and guarantee you guys. But yeah, so far not so bad. I feel so fresh, you know. It smells good, no lies. It smells good. And with the scrub, I could feel that, yeah, this thing is working, because I could feel it opening my pores and whatsoever. And I was like, okay, that's good. I like that. You know. But yeah, guys, that's it for my skincare routine. I want to charge my camera because it's low. I just want to do my hair. I'm already dressed and everything, but I want to do my hair because I have a client that's coming. I'm also shooting a reel, by the way. I'm shooting a vlog, spend a day with me vlog. My camera is right here with me. So yeah, I just want to look cute and nice, you know. I don't want the client to woo. She looks so crusty, you know. I don't want her to be like, oh, she looks so crusty and what's so not. So I'm just doing my hair so that I can look cute and well put together. Oh my god, my memory is full.
From Instagram, Sandram Chali, Rumby Sweet. He's 2 years.
Okay,
And Sandram Chali, Rumby Sweet. Tell me about it.
okay, sure. Ugh, my phone, guys. And my memory, come on, is full. Come on now, my video has to stop. Oh god. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my Mello hair nails. I don't know, should I record that video, that part, or should I include it on this vlog? Yeah, you know, I don't know. What do you guys think? But I think I should just include it on a daily vlog, and then you guys will watch it on my YouTube shorts, yeah? Because like I no longer want to make like long vlogs, guys. You understand? And also I don't want to make her feel uncomfortable. But after doing her nails, what I will do, I'll just take pictures at least, and then you guys will be, as I was saying before I got interrupted, my camera just switched off on me because the memory was full. So what I was saying to you guys is that I will just take a picture of the nails and then you'll be able to see, and then please be on the lookout for the vlog. By the way, the vlog should be out by now because this vlog is gonna come out I think November. So yeah, please guys, I hope you've seen it, right? If you haven't, after watching this video, go watch my YouTube shorts. It's on that daily vlog. Don't worry, my shorts I do label daily vlog, what I do label everything, so you don't have to stress. And the vlogs I upload them once a week, the daily vlogs, so you'll see there that my sister has already, you know, so don't stress about it too much, okay? I got you guys. I got you guys. Oh, my hair, guys. Hey, so salty. I just want to look neat, that's all, you know. I don't want to look all crusty and all ugly, something like that. No. Hi. Oh, my baby is hungry. She wants food. So after doing my hair like this, I just need to make my baby food. I give it a towel. Okay, my hair has grown. Wait. This straightener, they help me. It helps me. I don't want to lie to you guys. Like, this straightener, it helps me because I've been looking crusty at times. And now, and I also want to plait my hair, guys. I don't know what to plait. I was thinking, how about I do sew-ins type of vibe, you know, type of thing. I don't know. Will they suit me? Just to be different, you know, because I like having hair. Like, it makes me look well put together, you know. It makes me look really cute. I look like a person that knows her story. Okay, and that's on period. Okay guys, let's go unbox the Sunlight PR package. Let's see what they got for us. And yeah, and I'll have to read the guidelines and everything, so let's just do this PR unboxing quickly. Then after that we do the lady's nails because she hasn't texted me as yet. So yeah, also I want to shoot a makeup video. Okay, I want to shoot a reel. So yeah, let's do this. Hi sweeties. Anyway, hi guys, we have a PR packaging to unbox. Remember I told you. So let's rather just do that. Okay. I just want to see. Yes, no. Okay, guys, here's our PR box. Isn't she cute? Oh, sunlight. This is so beautiful. I need to take pictures real quick. I don't even want to open the box because this looks nice. You know? Oh, God. This looks so beautiful. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. And y'all know that, you know, they give us like the guidelines and all that, you know. So yeah, when is it supposed to end? June 24th October. It's due tomorrow, by the way. So yeah, I think we'll see, but I'm gonna post it next week, by the way, because I have more content lined up for this week. But yeah, I am so excited. I'm so happy. This looks beautiful. I can't wait to shoot content. You know what I mean? Because I'm busy shooting. Can you see? Can you guys see? Get busy. I'm on my busy girl mode. Busy girl irasanas. Okay? And that's on period. Like, I love this for me. I like this for me. I like this for me. I like this for me. Oh, let me just take a few pictures with you now shortly. Okay, guys, so I've already taken pictures. So what we're gonna do now, let me just bring you guys a little bit closer. We're just gonna unbox it. So I already have my camera set, as you can see. So let us unbox. Oh my God, and I don't want to unbox. Ooh, child. Ooh, okay. Let me just do like this. Do like I do. Okay. And then. Ooh. Oh, guys, it's so cute. Come, let me show you. Let me show you. Isn't this cute, you guys? Oh, these are so beautiful. Oh man, this is so beautiful. Love, love, love it. These cute flowers. Them cute flowers. Zizzies. Okay. It's like they knew that I wanted flowers, by the way. And then we have a card. Okay. We have a card like that. And they gave me this. Last time they gave me a gray one. Today they gave me a white one. Love, it's so cute, man. This is cute. Shout out to Sunlight. Then when we open it has 2 kg 5-in-1 hand washing powder. Last time they gave me 3. Today 1. Hey, okay. I see what you are doing. Thank you. But it's fine. It's literally fine. These are so different. These pegs, it's like hookahs. What? Hang and hook. Oh, so this is how they work. Can you see? This is how they work. Okay. Anywho, there's always a, like, you know, new thing for, you understand? Say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So, this is how it works. Hang and hook.
1 and 2.
Then they also gave me this bubble. They gave, wait. They also gave me this bubble thing. Also more. Wait. Oh, this is mine. Oh. No. Cutesy, very cute. cutesy, very mindful.
Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubbles.
Okay. Yo, let's how. Okay. Sijanyana, so what is it? Love it. Cute snack. You can even wash your dishes in here. Literally, like you can wash like small things or small laundry, whatever. So what I'll do, I'll wash the small things as well in here, and then ngine plan ukuthi ngizowasha amafatuku ngale sunlight ngoba indaba yokuwasha nama washing hayi anginayo but because your hand washing but anyways, this is beautiful. Thank you, sunlight. Thank you. Oh, ooh, I hope you shoot as on as. But yeah, guys, this is nice, you know. This is beautiful.
Bubbles.
Oh gosh. Ngathi izinto zibawesi. Even Betties got to win, so bambelela kwela themba. Something will change for you today, so keep on fighting. Cela ungayeki, cela ungayeki, cela ungayeki. Ukodwa vuka, vuka. Something will change for you today, so keep on fighting. Cela ungayeki, cela ungayeki, cela ungayeki. Hey! Hey guys, welcome to the second day of the weekly vlog. I'm not alone today. I'm with baby Litabo. She's busy eating, hence she has all these on her mouth. But yeah, man, you know, guys, like all of a sudden I started feeling so emotional. I started feeling so sad, like, you know, because I kind of feel like I'm working so hard, you know, but I don't really see the results. Yes, my accounts are growing. My Facebook, I just hit 17k followers 2 days ago, and it's still growing. You know, my Instagram, I can see followers coming in slowly, which is still okay. By the way, sorry guys, let's have disturbing me, but yeah, which is okay, you know, like I'm gaining a few followers, and then with my YouTube channel, at least I'm gaining subscribers each and every day because of my YouTube shorts, and also like showing other people support, you know, through that. I am grateful for that, but it's tough, you know. It's tough, especially if like you only depend on content for a living. It's tough. I don't want to lie to you, it is so tough. No, it is so tough. So that's why I was sad, and I was like, you know what, let me just, yeah guys, it's later on the day. It's like 2 hours after I was busy talking to you, because Litavo came and she disturbed me, you know. But yeah, as I was saying, like guys, I was so sad. I was so sad that like I am trying, you know, but I don't see the growth. Like, you know, like it's so sad when you see people, they are growing on their YouTube channels, they get monetized, they get paid, you know, and then it's me on the side, you know. And with my Facebook account, like, yeah, like I am monetized because I do get paid via stars and all these other things. Now I applied for my content to be monetized via is it ads on whatever, ads on reels, something like that, you know, instant ads. Hi bo, It's taking me up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't know what's going on there. And it frustrates me. Okay, because now I did apply and then they didn't get back to me. It took like a month or 2 months, me having to wait for feedback. After that, I had to reapply again. And then now, when it's my time to reapply again, they're telling me that they put Instagram ads on pause. Like, what's going on there, guys? If you are going through the same thing, please do comment down below and tell me if you are, because it's stressing me out. I do not want to lie to you guys. It's stressing me out, because at least with Facebook, I have a huge audience there. I can still make money, So now, like, imagine, guys, some guys, my vlogs on Facebook Reels, I get like 10k views, 20k views. Some are on 120 something views, 150 views. Baby, go on the links on the description box below. Go to my Facebook. You'll see what I'm talking about. Some I even pinned them because I'm like, wow, I can't believe it. Me, that's my money. Every week, guys, there must be a video that has like more than 20k views. I'm even now getting used to it that, when I don't get something k views, I don't feel nice. You understand? That's my money. And now shit like this is happening. Facebook, what's going on? Guys, we put in the work. We work. As content creators, we work. And now if we cannot get this thing, then becomes a problem for me. At least if Facebook is funding my life, I can be able to do other things. You understand? Especially when you're a vlogger, you need to go out there, guys. You need to entertain people. So how are you going to entertain people without having money? Please tell me. How are you going to entertain people without having money? Guys, I also said, hence I was listening to Amanda Black trying to revive my spirits and all those things. But yeah, man, I will leave it all to God. Only God knows why, Only God knows why, but I will keep on praying and pray for better days and that everything becomes fine. Because yeah, guys, I've been going through it, but that's not gonna make me stop, because I will continue shooting content. I will continue being consistent. I will continue being out there, So if you are new here, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I would really appreciate that. Also follow me on all my social media platforms. All the links are on the description box below. Okay, so what I want to do, I just want to wash these small dishes because we're eating, and after that I just want to sit and relax. Like, I'm feeling so lazy, like so insane. Okay. back to yet another day of the weekly vlog. Today it's a Monday, okay? So yeah, I'm currently running errands, you understand? And I hate the fact that I left the house late because time right now it's 11:59 a.m. So basically it's like 12 p.m. now, you understand? Like, I don't like doing my things late. I'm a bit annoyed. But anyways, anywho, it's fine. Right now I am currently going to the police station because there's things that I need to do there. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the mall. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall. When I get to the mall, what do I need to do? Oh, I need to open up a new bank account. You know? Because that's what I want. You understand? I need to open up a new bank account. You see? So that's what I'm going to do. Sorry guys, I'm a bit distracted. Okay? And today's weather is so nice. It's sunny, but it's not like hot, you know, because when it's too hot, my skin, oh my god, I suffer so much. Okay, I suffer so much. So right now I'm currently at the petrol station. I just want to, you know, I just want to fill up some gas, man. That's it. Basically, I don't want to fill up some gas. I just want to pump my tires. That's what I want to do. But hey guys, hey, why is my camera so like blur? Why is it so blur? I look so blur. Yo, that's better. 2.6. Yeah. Ah, bathong biang. 2.6. Ah, bathong ba to ko vlogging yak? You wanna say hi to my people? Oh sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, umang ba follow something.
Good so ra thusetsa.
Naluma ko na le girlfriend wa tshaba gore ba tlo mpaqa. That's what he's scared of. Okay. Yeah, but so bangata ba ga ba tlo tlhagella. Yeah, it's at 2.6. I think 2.6 will be fine. Okay, cool. No stress. That was so nice of him. People don't want to be shot. Like, people when they're at work, they don't want to appear on camera. But yeah, and this water is so nice and cold. And as Pella fast. And also I forgot that I was vlogging. Pella, y'all know me that I vlog all the time. My iPhone storage is full and I need to do a vlog. Guys, I'll see you later, ne? Yeah, let me just do what I have to do. Hi, besties. Why is this guy? Sorry. Hello. Ngifuna ukuprinta out something to. Khona ne ngiyeza manje. Sharp. Yo, moya lo yahlaba ne. Hi, Joymies. Guys, I'm with my friend Claire. I can tell you what's going on. Why is the camera doing this?
It's blurry.
It is, ne? Ngithi ngikuphela uthaba nokudlala ngecamera yami ngimpaqa. See, that's more like it. Isn't she beautiful? My high school best friend.
Yo, silahlekelene. Elifini.
Kimbana fela contenting on Facebook. She's doing her content and I'm like, oh my god. So I was like, let me pass by and see. I mean, I was just taking chances and see if she's there. I got there and I found her. Her name is Promise. Like, guys, go following, but
No, my name is not Promise. My name is
Nombulelo. Chomei.
I don't use that name anymore. Nombulelo Ngwenya.
You heard it yourselves, guys. Yeah, following Batong on Facebook. I'm gonna leave all her details on the description box below. So yeah. And go do your face beat. If you're around Lenasia, Orange Farm,
And your installation.
Something, your nails.
Everything.
She's got you. You see how beautiful she looks. Okay? See how beautiful she looks, my dear. I don't even have makeup on. I'm naked.
You always have your makeup on. What's wrong with you?
And I was so lazy to apply makeup, Joe. Me.
Sometimes, Nami, I become lazy.
Ne ke batla fela ho etsa just a simple beat, but I was so lazy. Serious, show me. Sure. Ofaka show me ke qina neng o kenya di-lash. Khale bjang? Yes, sis. Ke qine khale serious.
Tshwantse ke reke di mascara. I don't have mascaras.
Mascara. Yeah, to you, bruh. She sent like a form. Can you please check it?
Mom, I don't have a phone. That's why
You
I'm
don't have a
surprised.
phone?
Sure.
She sent it to WhatsApp. It's lost. That's why you answer one tick.
Yeah, I think
Oh my goodness. When now I lost a phone. Now like I have to. Oh my dear, my
And
dear.
you have to go back.
Yeah, I guess I'll be hella back.
so. Ask her. 272.
I don't have that at all. That's why we sent
I
it.
also don't have that.
It's fine.
playing on my Wi-Fi.
From ngiyenzile lapha epolice station.
Oh,
I just
okay.
wanted like another one just for a backup. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
but it's fine. That means I don't need to go to the mall anymore. Cause you know, guys, let's go. What? Zele mahala la entweni.
And so ijwayele lento de.
I am so used to it, Joby. Yeah. Hi guys. Feta. Like I remove your back or something. Nayelana. Hi guys. Currently I'm at the mall. As you can see, I'm at the basement, and I just wanna quickly open up an account. And something happened, guys. We went to. You'll see on my short film vlogs, ne? On my reels. We went to this shopping complex and promise, okay, Nombulelo. She had to withdraw money, you know, and one ATM, which is Capitec, it gave her problems that she can't withdraw money because there's an error or whatever. And then we went to another ATM. We went to Netbank. Got there, she took out 2K. Now her mom gives her a call when we were trying to do shopping at ShopRite, and she's like, girl, you withdrew 4,000, what's going on? And she's like, no mom, I only took out like 2K, you know, what are you talking about? And she's like, no babes, it says you took out 4K. So basically there's an error that happened, and now they are currently inside the bank. They are at Capitec Bank. They are trying to fix that problem, you understand? So I think maybe when that that Capitec ATM, when it says error what, then that's where the problem occurred, you understand? So it's like she took out 4K while she took 2K out. So we don't know, but I hope they help them. So yeah guys, I don't really have time. I can't be vlogging much in the mall because I'm not alone, you understand? But I just wanted to give you guys an update. I will see you when I get home. I just want to quickly go to Standard Bank and, you know, open up a bank account. But I've done a lot. I've already went to the police station. Like, I've covered a lot. So yeah, please make sure that you watch my reels, okay? Watch my reels. At least you watch those short vlogs, and then you'll be able to keep up and know what has been happening. Do you understand? Because my phone is just easy access, and I can literally like just vlog my day there. You see? Yes. So please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? So yeah, let me do what I have to do. I'll see you tomorrow when I get home. Hi, besties! Hi guys, yo, welcome to another day of the weekly vlog. Waiting, like, my life is a mess. It's been 2 weeks now without uploading any vlog on my YouTube channel. I will try to upload this week. I will try. I have a lot of content on my camera and I am not uploading. I've been busy, guys. Yo, I've been busy, you know, and also I've been shooting content and doing all these things. Also, what's wrong, sisters? Why? Okay, bye-bye.
No!
So guys, like, yo, I have been so busy, you know, and also last week it was my birthday, you understand?
Thank you.
So that's what's up, man. But guys, I will try to export all the content for the vlog, yeah, like 2 weeks ago, that was supposed to go up last week, you know, and make sure I upload it tomorrow. I will try my level best. Oh, please. Guys, I hope you guys are fine. So like, I have a PR unboxing to do with you, you know. It's the patches whatsoever. So yeah, we'll just have to do the PR unboxing now, and then I need to shoot content, guys. Like, I have deadlines, Luna. I have a lot of PR to do. It's so insane. I've been praying for this to God, but now since it's here, like, it's draining me. Zakala. Being an influencer is not easy, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm coming from this girl. Who's this? From Anna. You know, she plaited my hair, and here is the hairstyle. I still need to do my edges and whatsoever, but how do I look, guys? Do you like it? It will look better, okay, but it's cute at all, you know. So yeah, I did my hair. All my head is out. This my small head is out too, but yeah, man, let's just do a PR unboxing. You're gonna have to go down a little bit, sisters. Woo, this girl, she's so big, a whole 3-year-old. By the way, guys, let's do a PR unboxing. Okay, I got this package last week. I haven't opened it, Sana. I haven't opened it. Oh, I need to shoot the thumbnail, guys. So is it one thing about me, I just forget that I need to shoot. So yeah, this is from Beauty Bulletin. Wow. These are the guidelines, okay? And then, okay, so these are like, so basically like, these are patches. So I've never used these things. I'm gonna be using them for the first time. So that's just, you know, so it's like those pimple patches. I have seen like a couple of influencers using these patches, so yeah, but it's different brands, obviously. So nami campaign here. So let me just try and open. Oh, so the colors are, oh, these are 4. Two. The other one is blue, the other one is red. Love it. Let me quickly open it. I'll be back just now. Okay. But as you can see, these are like red. Okay, I'm done now. And then we have the blue. So basically this one, it's like the invisible patch. Okay, oh, so this one is invisible, so that means you can't see. And then, oh yeah, and then this one is the original. So let's try and open. Let's see how they look like. You know what I'm saying? We're testing them out though. Oh, okay. So this is how they look like. I'll tell you, there is no cocoa melon, my sister. Let me just try to. Can you see? Can you guys see? This is how the original looks like. And then let's see the invisible. Okay. Oh, guys, ke busy ka PR. Ke na le PR setting where I have to go in store as well. Like their color. So okay, it comes like this. Like, so it's like 4 of them inside. But I don't see any difference, guys. Maybe you'll see the difference when, because it's the same. Here is the, oh my gosh, let me put them like this. Top one, this is the visible. Can you see? This is the invisible. Is there any difference? I don't see any difference. But yeah, guys, this December I'm gonna be busy with PR. Guys, it's new, okay? I've been praying for this. God is answering my prayers, but you know, I'm feeling the pressure. I'm I'm grateful, but I'm feeling the pressure. But bring it on, cause I'm get ready. And I'm expecting more PR, you know, to come my way. You know, influencer or to do or wangithola kanjani. But yeah, guys, I'm happy, man. I'm excited to do this. So that means like with this PR, I'm gonna have to be doing like my skincare routine, get unready with me, and then applying this patch because I understand. So it's gonna be a morning one. It's gonna be morning skincare routine. The other one, get unready with me, Gayona. But yeah, I need to educate people with this. I still need to read the guidelines. But let me just read them for you. No need, because when I do a skincare routine, I will tell you more about it. You know, I use 3 easy hacks. So basically, like, I kind of feel like I think this thing is for like when your skin is breaking or you have like a pimple that you don't like. I saw this pimple over here, so I need to put a patch there. Let's hope it helps. Okay, let's hope it helps. But yeah, guys, I need to export content from this camera to my phone, you know, because I have a lot of content. Whilst I'm busy doing that, at the same time I need to clean this house because this house is looking like a mess. I don't like being a dirty house. Okay, I need to clean this house, make sure that everything is speak and span, because tomorrow I have an early morning. I have to do with my business, I have to do with my customers bought cakes and whatsoever. So yeah, I hope I take you guys with me, okay? But we will run errands together, don't worry. I kind of feel like this vlog is just all over the place, you know. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you haven't, what are you doing? Why are you not subscribing? And why are you not subscribing more? I am putting in the work, okay? So please make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the nice things. Go watch my YouTube shorts as well. Like, thank you. Okay, all the links are on the description box below. Okay, anyways, guys, let me just tidy up the house, and then I'll see you guys later.